Today is a great day for Rotary Club Mapsa Elegance, where we are launching a free service to dialysis patients from Mapsa who will be transported free of cost from their places of residence and taken to the dialysis center and again dropped back free of cost. Rotary Club Mapsa Elegance has been in the forefront of doing projects over the past 1 year. As you see, this pilot shed was done by Rotary Club Mapsa Elegance. We also have constructed similar pilot shed on the Mapsa bus stand. You all must be seeing these helmets which with the pilots are using. That also have been given by the Rotary Club Mapsa Elegance. There are several other projects that Rotary Club Mapsa Elegance has done, and I'm really proud to have led the club in its second year of existence. I thank all the guests for coming here today, and I hand it over back to Amey.
Good evening. First of all, I want to congratulate the Rotary Club of Mapsa Elegance and the Rotary Elegance Foundation for the dedicated initiative for the new service for the people of Mapsa. This is the service not only for as a medical, but it is service for the people who are emotionally who can't get support from the others. Sometimes people from Mapsa can get this support because of you all. Because of your initiative, people can move through this to the hospitals to take the service of the dialysis. My great thanks to the Rotary Club of Elegance that you took that initiative and taking this initiative in Mapsa with all your Rotarians. That's why I want to thank from all my Mapshekas that you got this for Mapsa. And even who are the patients of Mapsa can take benefits of this. And I request all the Mapshekas to take benefit of this delivery dialysis van. And I thank the Rotarians for this. Thanks to bringing this initiative in Mapsa. Even I want to thank all the members, the Raj Club President, Raj Menon, Chairman of the Rotary Foundation, and Paresh Rivankar, Rajesh Kerekar, and other Rotarians.
Swami Vivekananda once said, "It's a privilege to serve mankind, for this is worship to God." Dignitaries on and off the days, all protocols observed, and my dear friends at Rotary Club of Mapsa Elegance. First, congratulations Raj for this beautiful project. I remember Raj speaking to me about this van even before he became the president. And he requested me for one thing. He said, "Can you help me with this?" I was happy first that he approached me because being a doctor, dialysis patients are very, very close to my heart. And one of the projects that we Rotarians want to do across the district is get as many dialysis units up where we can provide free dialysis to patients, absolutely free, because for dialysis, there are dialysis centers that are free, but people have to pay for the consumables. And we wanted to do it absolutely free and hope we can do it over the next 2-3 years. But coming to this van, it was something that I was wanting to do, and he gave me an opportunity. And Rotary only provides you opportunities to serve. So when that opportunity came to me, I requested a few friends, and I'm happy I've been able to in some way contribute to this project of yours. Having said this, your club has done some wonderful projects in Mapsa city, and I know the community at large in Mapsa is going to benefit a lot from this particular project and all the other projects that you've done, including the shed. When you think of your fellow human beings who do not have the same privileges and the same opportunities that you have, and you provide for them, then you are always blessed. So I'd like to end by saying, all of you Rotarians of Rotary Club of Mapsa Elegance, you're not just doing projects or community service projects. You're doing projects that touch the lives of your community members, and you will continue to be blessed right through year after year. So Raj, thank you for this lovely project. I thank you for also having started your own foundation, because you'll be able to have a lot more funds coming into the foundation. I hope you've got all your documents. And so you'll get a lot of funds, and keep doing projects like this to people coming after Raj, the president after Raj. In Rotary, we change the president every year. So on the 30th of June, he finishes. I'm sure the next man who comes in has more ideas and more projects for MAPSA. All the best to all of you, and have a great evening.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.